Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, wherever you're watching from. So as you can probably tell from the title, today's video is going to be about me taking $20 and seeing how far that stretches me for my groceries for the week. So come along with me to the grocery store. So here I am, the countdown begins to see just how much I can get with $20. And they only have one pack? Oh no, okay. Make sure. They only have one pack of regular crackers. I am so mad. But I'm actually going to the store that's next to this one to get a few other things that they don't normally carry here. I'm at the second market. Let's see what else I can add to my list. I finally see some oranges, but they're not on my list. Let's see. Or are they grapefruit? These look like grapefruit. I don't know. Maybe I'll get some next time. Let's see. Oh, they have grapes. Okay. First time seeing cut up strawberries. Wow, this is $6. Okay, what else? Grocery store. I went to 2 different grocery stores looking for the different things that I needed, and I got a few extra things that wasn't on the list with, a few other bills that I had in my wallet already. So I'm about to tally up everything. So let's see if I stuck to my $20 a week challenge for groceries. Okay, so I have 2 cans of tuna, some eggs, which I was undecided if I was going to get because I'm a hypochondriac and I put myself on this diet of elimination foods, but I love eggs and they'll help me get through the week. Some crackers. I wanted more than 1 pack of crackers and I'm so mad that neither one of the stores had any more than just 1 pack. Okay. Now, is anybody else a hypochondriac like me? Always diagnosing yourself with stuff, always on the internet. The internet is not my friend, and it's probably not yours if you're a hypochondriac like me and always, diagnosing yourself with stuff. So if you're a hypochondriac, comment down below and let me know some of the craziest things that you diagnosed yourself with before. Okay, so I have 3 packs of chicken breasts. Have some head-on shrimp, which I hate, but I didn't see any other regular shrimp without the head on it. Got 2 bundles of broccoli, and I have 7 apples. I guess an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Oh, and some lime for my lime water when I wake up in the morning. Okay, so I tallied up everything and it totaled up to $18.45, which means I have $1.55 left to complete the $20 challenge. I have a few errands later this week that I need to run that I'll just go to the store and probably grab some crackers and some chips to complete the whole $20 challenge. And very interesting to me to see how money plays out, living abroad compared to back home, because things like cherries, for instance, they're probably about $15 just for a small container here. And, here, chicken, it's about $1.25 for 1 tray. Versus back home, it might be about $4.50 for 1 tray. So I just think that it's very interesting to see how, it compares prices to back home versus here. I think what it is that a lot of things that are local, like rice, is very cheap. Chicken, they're just running around. That's very cheap. But the things that they have to import is where the cost comes into play, like, things that you need from back home. So I just thought to do a little bit of my own research to figure out where certain fruits come from or vegetables, where they're locally grown, to see how much that plays a role in the prices of things here in Cambodia for fruits and vegetables. So as I've said before, the cherries were very expensive, so I looked up exactly where they come from. So that pretty much explains the high price tag on the cherries, and I guess they'll be sitting on the shelf until further notice, at least, when it comes to my pockets. Something else that I noticed that's very expensive is cereal, especially if it's a name brand from, back in the US. I've seen boxes up to $8 or $9. And also oatmeal. The bag that I've seen is about $6. And I actually had found a bag that was $1.44. So I was so happy to see that because I had went so long without oatmeal being here. And then I went back to go get some more oatmeal and it was gone. And the only bags that were there were about $7. So yeah, being here, I have to get used to not eating a lot of the things back home. Like, even the fast food restaurants. And due to the prices here on certain foods, I've stayed away from those foods, to keep down on the cost of, spending money. And besides food, being here, there's a lot of things that I had to go without. I cannot find any leave-in conditioner or moisturizer for my hair, so I've been struggling to take care of my hair as well. And not only has being here changed my life, going through the pandemic while here has changed my life as well. And I know that a lot of people are going through the same thing, losing jobs and their homes and having to cut back on a lot of different things. So what are some ways that the pandemic has affected you, and how does that affect your eating habits and how much you spend on different things? And if anybody has any advice on how to make meals stretch and how much you spend during a week or a certain amount of time, you know, during your grocery shopping for the month? How has that changed for you? Comment down below and let me know. So that pretty much sums up today's video, and if you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button down below, along with a notification bell, so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I upload a new video every week, so make sure you're subscribed so that you can see every video that I upload. Thank you. Bye.